This model kit review is of the Focke Wulf 200. It's the C-4 Condor. This is a 1/72nd scale model, and we have some dimensions there. Some pictures of the finished model. There is a 1/48 scale version from Trumpeter. It's a lot larger. Let's have a look. Nothing really additional on the back here. Let's have a look inside. So here are our decals, nicely printed, some level of detail here. Let's have a look at these sprues. This looks like it's an older model kit with older mold. That makes for some additional flashing and mold lines. This is the older model kits that usually have as you can see here, these are not recessed panel lines or rivet lines. They're all proud. Here we have part of our wing, tail, we've got some bombs, parts of our undercarriage, we've got some pilot figures here, some level of detail there. We've got our prop. You can see there's the flashing mold lines for our engine cowl. Not sure what that's for. Here's another engine cowl. Let's have a look at these. Here we have the other side of the wing and our stabilizer. It's going to require a little bit of work to get that to the correct shape with these pieces sticking out here. We've got our undercarriage, our wheels. Same with this one here. As you can see, these are not recessed panel lines. Here's our wheel well. And this is the top of the fuselage. We've got some, looks like probably guns here. And additional parts of there. The engines, sadly these are molded into the firewall. More engine cowls. We are missing that part there. We'll need to get glued back on. And looks like part of the flap. Here's our glass. Not too bad with the molding. It hasn't yellowed at all. Here's our fuselage, also with raised panel and rivet lines. And there's the other side of that one. And inside of our bomb bay doors and our gear doors. These look like these are probably our ailerons, some of the parts for our wheels, and the other side of the fuselage. And this is pretty sad looking. Those are bombs molded onto the into the bomb bay. Other side of the wing. Here's our cockpit. We do have some bombs here, and tail wheel. And additional wheels here. Let's have a look at our instructions. So this was designed in 1995, or printed in 1995. Here are the colors needed. So it looks like we start off with the fuselage. You need to paint the inside before you put the glass in. Next you put the gun in, as well as the other side of the fuselage, build the gun turret as well as the cockpit, then our stabilizer, and we start to build our fuselage. Tail wheel goes in, and the turrets and fuselage goes together. Next, glass, tail, we start to build our wings, other side of the wings, and bombs. bombs are mounted on the outside, it looks like. And then we have the landing gear being assembled with their doors. Next, our engines are put on, and then the inside of the bottom part of the fuselage. Wings are then mounted. And these are the different versions to paint and build. Here's another one. These are all from World War II. So all in all, molding is not great. Detail level is okay. Decals are pretty good.